Hey Stephanie, this is Mark. Hey, I spoke with Kelsey yesterday, and she gave me information that you would see that this would be informational to you. So let's just jump right into it. So I'm going to go over three things you can do today to help you bring more customers. I know times are tough, so we really just want to help businesses grow. So if by the end of the video you find that we really can help you, reach out. We'd love to chat. Otherwise, you can take these tips and do them yourself. And so yeah, let's just jump right into it. So the first thing I want to go over is content. You want to have at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage. Google really loves content, so you want buyer intent keywords through these 1,500 words, and we'll explain that in just a sec. So another thing you want to do is name the pictures you use as one of the keywords. And like your site, like I said, if we have more pictures, more content, yeah, it will definitely be easier for consumers to look through. The next thing I want is citations. And really, as you can see, this is what we call a map pack, and typically this is your goal, to be on page number 1. So as a business, so as you know, consumers typically are going they're going to choose the first one that's on one of these businesses that shows up here. So how do you really get here? Well, a citation is a business name, address, and phone number. And when registered through directories like Yelp.com, YellowPages.com, or even the Better Business Bureau, and Yelp is one of the big ones that when it's created, Yelp creates a backlink to your page, and which the backlinks we'll go over in just a second as well. Moving on to backlinks. So as you can see in this section here under the map pack, this is what we call the organic section. So your keywords and backlinks play a big part in how you're ranked here. So going over, for example, we did some work on the back end, and we use a system called Ahrefs that gives you a basic idea of how your website's performing. So in this section, this just shows the amount of keywords you actually have, and referring domains. And let's see, we'll use these guys here just to give you a little number here, because yours didn't show. So basically, this really shows like gives you an idea of how your website's performing. So this shows the amount of keywords that you have in referring domains, and the amount of people actually viewing your website. So with these keywords here, you want to have buyer intent keywords, and that people are searching for, and for this will turn into more traffic to your site. So let's go in here. So yeah, with these, for example, like what would 46? Well, with these keywords, it's bringing them 46 more people a month to their site, really, right? So what would 46 more people do for you, for your business site? So yeah, it would actually work. So as for backlinks, they're not all created equally. So some have the rule of not to follow, which in turn will give you site power. So at times it may take away from others and maybe spam. So it just depends on how you can build these backlinks, and by going over the informational sites or blog sites, and even creating your info on your page. But it's very time consuming, and which is why most businesses, they tend to hire someone to do this. So, and also when we create a backlink that gives you the site engine power, it's more likely to be like a popularity contest. So in which Google really, which is part of how Google really gives you the authority to come up on page 1. So in summary, if you guys really want us to save you some time and do this for you, we'd love to help you. So if you simply reply back to the number in the email, we look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you found this informational. Thanks.